Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to find the Fourier series for the function f of x equal to e to the power minus ax over the interval minus pi to plus pi. And hence, using that, I have to deduce the series for pi divided by sine hyperbolic pi. Then how to do this one? Step by step, let me explain here. First of all, the function f of x they are given. F of x equal to e to the power minus ax. Then the interval alpha to alpha plus 2l is nothing but minus pi to plus pi, which implies alpha is equal to minus pi and my 2l is equal to pi minus of minus pi, which is equal to 2 pi, that is l is equal to pi. Therefore the period, the period f of x is of the period f of x is equal to e to the power minus ax is of the period 2l is equal to 2 pi. Fourier series is given by Fourier series for the interval alpha to alpha plus 2 pi with period 2l is f of x is equal to a naught divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x divided by l plus bn into sin n pi x divided by l. This is a Fourier series and Fourier coefficients a naught, an and bn I have to calculate. Fourier coefficient a naught is equal to 1 by l integration from alpha to alpha plus 2l into f of x dx. Now 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi, f of x is nothing but e to the power minus ax of x, dx. Now we can check minus pi to plus pi, e to the power minus ax is even function or odd function. If you are replacing e to the power xy, f of x is equal to e to the power minus ax. Therefore f of minus x equal to e to the power minus a into minus x equal to e to the power ax, which is not at all equal to f of x or not equal to minus f of x. Therefore even nor odd function. That's why we have to find out all the three Fourier coefficients a naught, an and bn here. Now to evaluate a naught, 1 by pi, integration of e to the power minus ax is e to the power minus ax divided by minus a between the limits minus pi to plus pi. Substitute the limits, upper limit minus lower limit, that becomes 1 by minus 1 divided by minus a pi, I am taking common, and upper limit minus lower limit, e to the power minus a pi minus e to the power what I can say plus minus a into minus pi, that will become plus. And let me multiply this minus inside and adjust it so that to get the sine hyperbolic, that is 1 divided by pi a into minus is multiplied inside, it will become plus e to the power a pi minus e to the power minus a pi. This is a required one, but to convert into sine hyperbolic, very much similar, it is sine hyperbolic ax is equal to e to the power ax minus e to the power minus ax divided by 2 formula we know. That's why it is very much similar, only divided by 2 is not there. Therefore dividing by 2 and multiplying by 2. What I'm going to get here then, I can write it as 2 divided by pi a into sine hyperbolic a pi. This is my a naught. Like that, an I have to calculate now. To find out an formula is 1 by L integration from minus L to alpha to alpha plus 2L f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx. Let me substitute alpha and L also here. There is 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi. F of x is e to the power minus ax into cos of n pi x divided by L. L is equal to pi into dx. Okay, let me substitute this. Pi cancels, and to integrate this, I have to use a formula. Okay, that is integration of e to the power ax into cos bx dx is given by e to the power ax divided by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. This is the formula to integrate this. Comparing with this, a is equal to minus a and b is equal to pi. Therefore, an will become 1 by pi this integration e to the power minus ax divided by minus a square plus pi square into a is minus a cos pi x plus b pi into sin pi x. Therefore, this will become this e to the power minus ax divided by minus a square plus n square minus a into cos nx plus pi into n into sin nx between the limits minus pi to plus pi. And for minus pi to plus pi, sin n pi will become 0. Sin containing terms will become 0, since sin n pi or sin of minus n pi both are equal to 0. Substitute upper limit and lower limit for this one. Before that, let me simplify as 1 divided by pi into a square plus n square is independent of x into power minus ax into, and this minus a also I can write outside, minus a cos nx between the limits minus pi to plus pi. Okay, substitute for the limits for this one, upper limit minus lower limit. What I'm going to get here is minus a divided by pi into a square plus n square into upper limit e to the power minus a pi into cos of n pi minus e to the power minus a into minus pi into cos of n into minus pi. Okay, next n is equal to minus a divided by pi into a square plus n square into e to the power minus a pi into cos of n pi is minus 1 raised to n minus e to the power a pi into again minus 1 raised to n, because cos of n pi is equal to minus 1 raised to n, whereas cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. Using this I can write. Okay, minus 1 raised to n common and minus is multiplied inside. I am going to get it as a into minus 1 raised to n divided by pi into a square plus n square into minus is multiplied inside. That will become e to the power a pi minus e to the power minus a pi. Again, which is similar to definition of sine hyperbolic. Therefore, dividing by 2 and multiplying by 2 here. I am going to get it as 2a into minus 1 raised to n divided by pi into a square plus n square into sine hyperbolic a pi. This is my an. Like that, bn I have to calculate now. Fourier coefficient bn is defined as 1 by L integration from alpha to alpha plus 2L into sine f of x into sine n pi x by L into dx, which is 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi. F of x is e to the power minus ax into sine n pi x divided by pi. L is again pi. Therefore, into dx. Pi cancels, and integration of this is using the formula e to the power, integration of e to the power ax into sine bx dx. Its integration is e to the power ax divided by a square plus b square into a sine bx minus b cos bx. Using this formula, I have to evaluate this one. Okay, that is next one. That is 1 by pi as it is. Integration of this, while comparing with this, a is equal to minus a and b is equal to n. I have to do that is e to the power minus ax divided by minus a square plus n square into a is minus a sine bx sine nx minus b n into cos nx between the limits minus pi to plus pi. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Before that, sine contained term again it will become 0. Okay, that is next 1 by a square plus n square into this pi as it is. Remaining term is e to the power minus ax, and this is minus n I will take outside. Okay, into minus n, because x I am substituting, therefore is constant, into cos nx between the limits minus pi to plus pi. Again substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. What I am going to get it is minus n divided by pi into a square plus n square into upper limit e to the power minus a pi into cos n pi minus e to the power minus a into minus pi into cos n pi, again cos of n into minus pi. Okay, then simplifying this one, minus n divided by pi into a square plus n square, here e to the power minus a pi into cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n, minus e to the power plus a pi into minus 1 raised to n again, since cos n pi is equal to minus 1 raised to n and cos of minus theta equal to plus cos theta only. Okay, simplifying this, and minus 1 raised to n taken common, this minus I will multiply inside, that will become n into minus 1 raised to n divided by pi into a square plus n square into minus is multiplied inside, therefore e to the power a pi, this will become minus e to the power minus a pi. Again, which is similar, very much similar to the definition of a hyperbolic, sine hyperbolic, therefore dividing by 2 and multiplying by 2. Then again I am going to get bn as 2n into minus 1 raised to n divided by pi a square plus n square into, this is nothing but sine hyperbolic a pi. Okay, this is my bn. Using all these an, bn and a naught, let me write the required Fourier series here. Fourier series is given by f of x is equal to e to the power minus ax, which is equal to a naught divided by 2. A naught value is 2 divided by pi a into sine hyperbolic a pi whole divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an 2 times 2a into minus 1 raised to n divided by pi into a square plus n square into sine hyperbolic a pi into cos n pi x divided by L is there, therefore it is pi. This is one term plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn. My bn value is 2n minus 1 raised to n divided by pi into a square plus n square into again sine hyperbolic a pi into sine n pi x divided by pi. Pi cancels. Okay, now from all the terms you can just observe here, and here 2 cancels. Okay, sine hyperbolic a pi divided by pi I can take common because here summation is varying for n equal to, therefore I can write e to the power minus ax equal to sine hyperbolic a pi divided by pi. Then I can write it as 1 by a plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity. Okay, this term I have taken common, sine hyperbolic a pi by pi. This will remain as 2a into 2a and a cos nx divided by, and pi also taken common, a square plus n square will remain, plus for this summation I will also common here, then it will become 2 into minus 1 raised to n plus and 2n into sine hyperbolic is taken common, will remain sine nx divided into minus 1 raised to n divided by a square plus n square. Okay, this is the e raised to ax Fourier series. Next, now to find, let us put a is equal to 1, as well as x is equal to 0 and x equal to 0, so that this term will become 1 and this will become 0. That is becomes e to the power minus 1 into 0 equal to sine hyperbolic, it is sine hyperbolic pi into 1 divided by pi into 1 by a plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity 2 into 1 a equal to 1 and cos 0 is 1 into minus 1 raised to n divided by a equal to 1 square plus n square plus 2n into sine 0 is 0 into minus 1 raised to n divided by 1 square plus n square. Therefore this term becomes 0. Only for this one I have to evaluate. This one I will write to the left hand side. This is equal to 1 into pi divided by sine hyperbolic pi is equal to 1 by a plus, correct, 1 by a is nothing but again 1, a is equal to 1 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity, this is 2 I will take outside, and this will become minus 1 raised to n divided by 1 plus n square. Okay, pi divided by sine hyperbolic pi is equal to 1 plus 2 into bracket n is equal to 1, this will become minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus next n equal to 2 will become 1 divided by 1 plus 2 square plus minus 1 divided by 1 plus 3 square plus 1 divided by 1 plus 4 square plus so on. Expand this one, therefore pi divided by sine hyperbolic pi is equal to 1 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 2 into bracket 1 divided by 1 plus sorry it is 5 minus 1 by 10, correct, plus 1 by 17 plus so on. Okay, this is 1 cancels, which implies pi divided by sine hyperbolic pi is equal to 2 into 1 by 5 minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 17 minus so on. Okay, this is the sine pi divided by sine hyperbolic pi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications and share my videos. Thank you friends.